few meters in the water, with the waves pulling me deeper and deeper below. The ocean's getting louder, and the air's escaping as I hear the billows roll. How did I end up here? I don't wanna go from here. Lord, save me from this place I'm in. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. Although I walk through the valley, I will not fear cause you're with me. Me no feel stuck cause you hold me. You keep me from falling. Storms raging, no matter cause I know that you're with me. I'm hidden under the wings of your spirit. Higher in you there is no fear. Higher, only faith lives in here. Lord, in your secret place I dwell. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. You're the reason Them say I dey shine like say my light no 50 minutes. No, them say I dey flow like say my water no fit finish. Oh, you are the difference. I'm a witness. Lay your spirit in my spirit makes all the difference. You're the reason that I exist. So I know, that I am the man I am because of you. Oh no, there will never be a me.
Yo, chat, what up? Good morning. Happy Friday, gang. What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, whatever. Let's go. Drop some energies. Emojis, what's up? Anything. Let's go, man.
Not by my power, not by my might, by your spirit that's living inside. And what would this life be without you? Don't wanna realize. In the darkness I shine because you are the difference. I'm a witness. Lay your spirit in my spirit makes all the difference. You're the reason I exist. So I know that I am the man I am because of you. Oh no, there will never be a me without you. Oh, 'cause you made me in your image just like you. Oh, there will never be a me without you.
Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Reese? What's up, Paula? What's up, Leon? How you doing? Let's go. Drop some energies, gang. Drop some energies in the chat. Drop some energies, gang. Let's go. Shout out to 12 viewers right now.
With the waves pulling me deeper and deeper below. The ocean's getting louder, and the air's escaping as I hear the billows roll. How did I end up here? Don't wanna go from here. Lord, save me from this place I'm in. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. Although I walk through the valley, I will not fear 'cause you're with me. Even if we stuck out 'cause you're home, you keep me from falling. Storms raging, no matter 'cause I know that you're with me. I'm hidden under the wings of your spirit. In you there is no fear. Only faith lives in here. Lord, in your secret place I dwell. You're the reason why I'm alive today. I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. You're the reason why I am alive. There would be no me without you. You're the reason why I am alive. I know I can count on you.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica.
What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? Shout out to 12 viewers right now.
Gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad. They really
Go
shared
to
their
the
dad.
moon. Yeah, let's go.
I
Anis, what's up? What's up? What's up?
And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am.
Let's see who's here. Shout out to 13 viewers right now. Let's see who's here. Grab some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go.
Cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me. Pray for YG. Pray for PC. Pray for TC. Pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean. India and Ty. Forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the
Yo, shout out to Ivan. Let's go. Ivan is in the building. Let's go, man. Shout out to you, big my brother. Who else? Who else? Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Let's see who's here.
Pray for my nigga Uno too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swing through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not.
Don't be shy, man. Don't be shy. Drop some energies in the chat. Don't hide with your keyboard there, man. Don't hide with your keyboard. Just watching me. Just do some snipe entry like this. Show up, bro. Show up, man. I really appreciate you guys. I just want to see some love, just energy, you know. Let's go. Let's go. Drop some energies in the chat. Shout out to 16 viewers. Don't hide with your keyboard right now, man.
There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. And when I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them. with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who at first brought me and my mom's, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know, I moved from the jungles to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church, and I remember one day I seen her going to church. She's like, you want to go to church with me? And I'm like, yeah. And I went. You know, I really went because I really wanted to be the drummer.
All right. How you guys doing?
Or whatever. But I went, and I became a member of Believers Community Baptist Church.
What's up, everybody? All right, we're good. We're Gucci, man. We're Gucci today. Waiting for 3345. Yeah, you're probably gonna top 3345. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, probably gonna top the 1 hour. See this 1 hour no bottom wick? Crazy, right? And man, I don't know why the market is like this nowadays. In July, I would say July price action in this past 1.5 a week is just let's say I would rate 60 6 out of 10. The price action, you know, doesn't look good. 1 hour's chopping here. So yeah, but the good thing, we still, you know, we still winning. We still do some clean range going up and going down. Yeah, it's still good. See, it's good. It's good here, right? After support form and to retest the high again. But yeah, it is what it is. See that 30 minutes time frame, but no bottom wick. But it's good for re-break of the high here. But yeah, how you guys doing, chat? Happy Friday. Happy Friday, gang. Shout out to 18 viewers right now. How you guys doing? How's everybody doing? How's your week, chat? How's the week? Dubs, break even, got some, you know, loss. Type in the chat. And how's the journey, man? How's the journey being a trader? How's the journey, huh? Retesting the resistance again. Move 230 pip. Oh, the weekly is about to flip. It's interesting here. No news today. No news, yeah. No news, okay. No news, okay. Tweets 7 hours ago, NBC, all remaining countries will face tariffs, saying we're just going to say, wow, this huge amount. So yeah, the dollar and the BTC is flying up here. The BTC, wow, as you can see, chat. We spoke this last month. We spoke this month. As you can see, we're going up. 100,000, 117,000 right now. Right? This how you're gonna predict the price gonna go up, because of the candle move. The candle volume, it's really big. And if you gonna look this, it's mirroring, right? And then this one is this one, breakout. That's how you're gonna analyze with the candles, with this reading candles only, where's the price gonna head. So yeah, let's go to the gold again. So yeah, chat, you guys ready for today? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. Let's see who's ready here. Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. All right, so let's start. I would say let's start right now with the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, as you can see, if we're gonna picture out with a bigger picture, and right now as you can see, the weekly, if you gonna look at this, the candle is just printing side by side, right? And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 candles are printing side by side now. All right. So, but we have structure. Resistance is up here. Your support is down here, right? But right now we have new support form been created on price here. This one, and then the resistance is up here. So the range is become small because you're creating a new structure which is support and resistance, right? We are I would say 1,600 pip range on the weekly. Okay, so if we're gonna drop down to the daily time frame, let's see. So the daily is creating a ranges here. So this is gonna be the range one that we're currently in, and then the range two is you break of this range because you have resistance up here. If you're gonna go up to the range two, you will see some candles gonna close above, right? So this is gonna be the range two. Okay, we're heading to the resistance now, and let's see if we're gonna see some reactions because yesterday candle didn't push through towards to the upside, and we just move, I believe, 200 pip move. And right now there is volume, I would say, always the volume always in the Asian session right now. And yeah, we're in the resistance area on price here. Why we have resistance? Because we have candle close bullish here. Okay, candle close bullish, even though this gonna be a gap before, but yeah, it forms some resistance up here. So if the candles react here right now on the 4-hour time frame, we were gonna see this retest the low again, right, on price. But let's see. Right now, I don't believe that there's any reactions on price on 3341 zone. We're gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, we have I would say support here, right? This your support, resistance is up here. As you can see, two candles are breaking above resistance, one, two, and three. So three candles going to the top side. um Next resistance is up here, right? So you have, I would say, range one. This is gonna be range one, and then you have, I would say, range two. This is gonna be the range two. You need to see closure above the range in able for us to take more buys up, right? Once this candle close, you're gonna retest the range three breakout now, which is good because if you have volume, it will continue popping up towards to the upside, right? That's how we gonna how we gonna look for buys when the candle close above the range. How about if the candle didn't close above the range? So there is a high chance that the next candle will drive down after you create a resistance right here, because right now advantage here is you have clean traffic here on price going down, right? As you can see, this is how you're gonna play with the ranges right now. This is gonna be if the candle close respecting, didn't close above, and then the next candle create sort of resistance. Now this is gonna be the range one to move down further, right? Does it make sense? So that's how you're gonna play with the range. Okay, so that's the 4-hour time frame. Let's see on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour is gonna be a little bit tricky for me because there is a lot of support down here. Support, 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 support. Right? So for sales, it's gonna be a little bit tough to take sales down here because there is no clean traffic going down, right? So yeah, 1 hour close, no top wick, move 111 pips or 112 pips here, right? As you can see, big candles. Expect volume 1 hour 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes is, man, right now it's big candles. Let's see if we're gonna have some trades today, but the 15 looks good, right? As long as you respect the zone, I probably gonna take sales going down to retest the low here, because as you can see, we move here, right? We move and then we move up, mirroring the move up again, mirroring the move up again, mirroring the move. So we're probably gonna take that range today. All right. So yeah, that's the probability for today. Let's see if we're gonna take some trades this London session today, gang. Let's see, let's see. Yesterday we took the trades. Some of you guys got the buys up. But for me, I just hit break even. It is what it is. So it's clean going down here. What we need to see is resistance form. If we see some resistance, yeah, we probably gonna take that sell going down. All right. So yeah, man. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Gang, make sure you like the stream, all right? Drop some likes and subs to the channel. It's clear for you guys how we break down the chart today. It's clear. All good. And for buys up, yeah, we have clean range going up here. 98 pip more. But we need closure above the range. Once we see closure above the range, yeah, we're good for buying up. We need closure above for taking buys up. Alrighty. We good, we good. And chat, if you're in Dubai, yeah, we have live training tomorrow. And if you wanna come, you can message me. You can message me. I'm gonna send you some form for RSB fee, right? So yeah, and it's free. It's free, gang. Free. All right. 9 minutes for closure. You top resistance once you close below the range. I would say back in the range. Probably gonna give it a shot to move down here. Parang magkapare. Yeah, bro, we're this we are on the same. I would say yeah strategy because his mentor is Raja Bangs. My mentor is Raja Bangs too. So yeah, we came to the same mentor. That's why. There's too many traders. There's too many, streamers in the YouTube. We're the same strategy, but in we have a different perspective in terms of how we gonna enter to the market. All right, so it's yeah, price action. Learn how to read candles, and that's it. The strategy is really famous, huh? Yeah, you're doing you're following the same strategy, bro. If you're following the same strategy, how is it? How's your journey right now? How's your journey so far? How's the journey so far, bro? Advantage, no top wick on the 1 hour and 30. So we need to see closure on the 15. At least bearish closure with a good body here. Right? Like this. And yeah, probably gonna take that. Yes, dun ako natuto sa kanya. Oh, good job. You're in his Discord, bro? In this community too? You take his course, man? I'd say then, wow. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Okay. Cool. All right, gang. All 4 minutes here. 4 minutes for candle close. Yeah, you show up in the live stream, and you're gonna learn here a lot. If you, especially if you're following the same strategy, yeah. Wow, good stops here. Good stops. Need to see closure in 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Mm-hmm. What's up, MC? How you doing? How you doing? All right, no closure. No closure, belosure. Re-break the high again. Okay. Buyers is still in. The buyer is still in here. No bottom wick. Buyers still in. Mhm. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. 6 minutes, gang. Re-break the high again, and then once this candle close bearish, man, you know what to do now. Any closure. Yep. Shout out to 28 viewers right now. Chad, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. $6 for candle close. Very clean going down. 91 pips. Four minutes, gang. 4 minutes. 4 minutes for candle close. Wow. Re-break the lows. Re-break the lows. All right, meltdown now. Mm-mm. One minute for candle close. The five move. The five move. Wait for us, man. Wait for us. 30. Need to see bottom wick. Bottom wick. No bottom wick. Crazy. Okay. Cool. No bottom wick, gang. No bottom wick, no bueno. 3342. All right. 3342. Where's that? Oh, here. The flip of the 15. All right. Nice. Good job, man. 46 pip. Good job. W. Yeah, no bottom wick here, chat. No Beno for me. I'm not gonna touch anything on the chart right now. No good. Congrats, brother. John. Yeah, shout out from Japan. All right, man. W, bro. W. W. Clean, clean. Going down. Pretty clean. Grab your patience. Yeah. Patience is the key. Patience is the key, gang. Patience is the key. What's up, Yoshi? How you doing? You're late. No, you're still early, bro. You're still early, man. So now you know that gold is ranging around, right? So now what you gonna do, guys? What you gonna do, chat? On when the market condition is like this? No trades. Yeah, no trades. But the really question is, do you guys haven't take any trades? Oh, what's that? BDTC. BDC, yeah. Yeah, BDC. We're flying. Nice. It's all time high. 30 is in the all time high. Now you're gonna ask why gold is not in the all time high, because dollar is is strong too. Dollar is strong too. Are you also investing in? Yeah, I hold this coin, BDTC coin. We bought this from 25 US dollar, and candles go down to $10. So there's a lot of people probably bought this on 10, but we bought it on 25. Yeah. So if you wanna, take this is the discount price still. If you wanna bought BDT coin, bought it right now. If you have Mexi Exchange, L Bank, XT, so yeah, you can bought the coin there. No bottom wick reacted. Mm, 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 mm. What concept do you trade? My concept is price action. Price action. May bias ka ba mamaya before mag-close market, coach? What do you mean? Like holding the trades weekend? I'm not holding trades weekend, but yeah. Um, ICT, no price action, bro. I don't know about ICT. So if you're holding the trades, yeah, you can, because the weekly probably gonna flip today. This weekly candle can flip and then fill the wick on the left. Let's see. Only price action. Coach, I'd be curious when you hold the position until the market closes. Does the position way will still stay? The market will open again. Yeah, yes, but be careful on that because sometimes if we have big news or war happening on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, there is high probability that when the markets open, it will go gap. All right. So for example, the daily candle close, let's say bullish, and if the dollar, for example, you took buy, right, and then we have some major news coming up, sometimes there is a gap. Candle is gonna open below this low, like this. So you're probably gonna hit your stops or slippage. Yeah, you cannot do anything there on price. So be careful. For me, I'm not holding trades any longer. Like I do day trading, but I'm not holding trades in the weekend. It's really risky. Knockout. Yeah, good job, man. W. Yeah, it melted down 60 pip here. So good job. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. All right, re-break the high. This is the problem with no bottom wick closure. So much liquidity. What do you mean? Where's the liquidity? You mean the wicks? This is liquidity? For me, how I read liquidity is when the price move up and move down. So for me, there's no liquidity yet. The price is just ranging around there. Liquidity is a wick. Where's the price stopping and then reacting and then topping down, reacting, and then what you mean this candle move up? This is volume. All right, volume, volume of the candle. So yeah, but yeah, it depends on how on the perspective. Yeah, probably this 1 hour is this liquidity for you, but for me, this just a volume. Volume. Ranging market. Shout out to 34 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. And if you Want me to follow in IG? Follow me in IG for more trading content. For more trading content. Do you have any open position? No, I don't have. I'm waiting. Coach Finalo ita. All right. Thank you, bro. I will check. Viewers mo from Japan. Wow. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Are you with community already, bro? Or do you trade alone? Oh, how do you find me, man? How do you find me in TikTok, in YouTube, here? Oh, nice. Cool, cool. All right, bro. Good job, man. Um, how long ka na nagtitrade, bro? How long do you trade, man? 9 months. Oh, how's the journey, bro? How's the journey, man? How's the roller coaster ride? Oh, we feel range. Holy. Right. This call is a good read, chat. Right? Good read, but No bottom wick. Didn't enter. That's crazy. We have volume. We have volume. We are moving. 4 hours about to close. But the problem is too many support on the cells. Di ko alam, coach, yung malakas ako mag-risk. Tas tiwala si... I've been there, bro. I've been there, man. I've been there, bro. Yeah, I'm here, man. I'm here to help you, bro. No worries. I'm here. Like kanina dun sa zone, feeling ko sa sarili ko mag-sell tapos ano, ayun, malaking lot size sabay out 60 pips. Wow, man. It's called full risk, full margin. Yeah, that's called full margin, gang. But yeah, sometimes you know, you need to trust with your gut feeling. But the feeling is no probabilities. All right, so probably you are still on the pace of, I would say, learning pace, because you do big lot size. But yeah, man, at least you got the trades, you got the dubs. Congratulations. In the end of the day, you need to end green, right? Wow, man. Good job. Within 9 months. Wow. Within 9 months. Good job, man. Car guy. Car guy ka pala, man. I don't know any, car. I'm not car enthusiast. I don't know about cars, but trading, yeah. So you don't have any community, bro. No community, you just learn alone, huh? Learn alone, and then yeah, making profit, buy some stuffs. B, yeah, I'm in B, bro. I'm part of B. I'm part of B. And we have team there in Japan too. So you're not part of B, huh? You're just trading alone. Trading alone. All right, nice. Cool. 4 hour closure. Okay, 1 hour. No bottom wick. They're bottom wick, but I don't think there's gonna be a good bottom wick for 1 hour. Respecting the range. 30 minutes. Yeah, probably I would say gonna tap the zone minimum on price. Like this. Once you tap the zone, what's gonna happen is gonna go back in the range and move up again. Good range going up, good range going down. Good range going up and good range going down. Yeah, what we gonna do now? Call it the stream. You know. What you gonna do? You gonna wait? Type in the chat. You're gonna wait, call it the stream. What? Right now we're just ranging around here. Toot. Let's see on this how we gonna close. Probably potential buys going up. Let's see. Eight minutes for candle close. Let's see if we're gonna have some potentials here. We're just ranging around, but we have clean traffic going up and going down. So 8 minutes, gang. 8 minutes. Five minutes for candle close. Fifty pip, 60 pip, going up. 30 minutes. Yeah, we're probably 4 hour gonna do the week fill. Let's see. 5 minutes again, 5 minutes. Four minutes. It's gonna be interesting. Interesting. Mhm. 2 minutes. I need to see top wick here, chat. So no top wick, no bueno for me. One minute. All right, can I see bottom wick? Bottom wick on price. We need to see bottom wick. Bottom wick. Oh, that's it. Bottom wick. Once you re-break the lows again, I'm gonna put buy limit on the top. Top of the candle. Once you re-break the lows again. Re-break the lows. Re-breaking the high. Re-breaking the high. Once you re-break the low, at least. Once we re-break the low, yeah, we're probably gonna re-breaking the high again. I don't like this bottom wick. I need to see this. I'm curious, coach, why does it so okay. So for example, this is gonna be a little bit tricky, right? So let's say this candle, I'm gonna remove this candle first. Okay, so the candle closed at like that, right? I need to see at least bottom wick like this. The candles create bottom wick and able for you to push up so we can enter on the flip of the candle. But what happened here is the candle open up without bottom wick. At least you push up a little bit here and then you re-break. And then now it go back up. I need to see one more time. So it tap two times. So once you create a new bottom wick, tap two times and then flip. I'm gonna place a buy limit up there. So once it flip again, it re-break the high two times. So yeah, it's gonna be like this. Doesn't make sense. That's how you understand re-break of the candle, re-break the low, re-break the high for volume and direction. We cannot take enter. Oh, I'm gonna take because support form. Okay, support form is right there. I'm gonna enter a trade. No, you need to understand the probabilities, right? See that? That's why didn't top two times. Reacted there on the re-break of the high. Right now, I'm not gonna touch anything here on price because you re-break the high already. Okay, so I need to see liquidity grabbing orders here before grabbing up. Doesn't make sense, right? Because as you can see, we move down here, right? This is the move. right? We moved down, so it's bearish, heavy bearish now. And then all of a sudden you create a support. Didn't re-break the lows 2 times and then re-break the high. So I'm not gonna be participate on this candle. There's a high chance that this candle gonna be a fake out candle to move back down. Right? Like this. So yeah. So if this candle push up, yeah, push up. But for me, I'm not gonna interested. So yeah, man. I probably gonna call it the stream now, and I'm gonna see you guys next week. So yeah, for today, for this week, I would say it's 6 out of 10 market condition. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, W week chat, W week. We got 2 trades, 2 wins this week and 1 break even yesterday. So yeah, it's still W for me. I'm how much I'm up this week. So 82 pip. Right? 82 pips. So yeah, W. So if you're gonna, if you're gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss chat, stop loss, and don't over trade, don't over risk, gang. All right. So I'm gonna see you guys next week. Love and wisdom. See you all, chat. Peace, peace, peace. W's all the way out, chat. Peace. I'm out here.
Wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe and I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Kids gon' listen to, huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible, now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one.